is for alligator, snapping green. There's a B is for bear, the biggest I've seen.
C is for cat, purrs so loud. Big B, E is for dog, running so proud.
E is for elephant, stomping around. Out is a rough, S for fox, sneaky and brown.
G is for giraffe, so tall in the sky. H is for hippo, splashing nearby.
I is for iguana, crawling so slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go.
K is for kangaroo, hopping so fast.
L is for lion,
Roaring at last.
M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for newt, as small as can be. O is for owl, awake at night.
P is for penguin, black and white.
Q is for quail, tiny and sweet. R is for rabbit, with big jumpy feet. S is for snake, slithering long.
T is for tiger, fierce and strong.
U is for unicorn, magical and bright.
V is for vulture,
Soaring in flight. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for x-ray fish,
take a peek.
Y is for yak, furry and cool. Z is for zebra with stripes, what a rule. Now we've learned our ABC.
Sing again and learn with me.
I is for